Kyle.
You'll be on YouTube.
All over the internet.
Is he gonna end up on some video somewhere? Yeah.
They said I have no shorts on.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Mike, Stanley's gonna be famous.
I thought he was famous.
He's going national, baby.
Deep, Mike, they're deep.
Deep?
Yep.
Oh yeah, there they are.
All right.
There they are, way out there.
You got him, I can see him. Oh, here we go. Oh, he is that.
Oh, he only hit the corner of
Quarter my ass.
Shit.
Holy shit.
Oh my
You give me another pail, man. Oh, Jesus. They're all pretty good size, some suckers.
Y'all want any? No, thank you.
No. That's productive fishing right there.
That's the first time I had trouble. I was pulling up a net.
That's a good thing, though.
Yeah. And it was on video.
Yeah, right? Nobody could call you on that one. You need a frickin' broom to get them all back.
I normally bring a square thing down here.
Oh, do you?
That dumps it in the air, and then I just dump them in the bucket and stuff.
You need a funnel.
But I forgot it.
Wow. You got fresh water right there, bro.
Oh.
Really? Down at the bottom, way down.
Okay.
Yep.
Careful, a lot of pressure.
Yeah. Hello.
Let's just fill a bucket up. Let's get them back in the water.
And it was on video.